G-Dragon is one of the most famous celebrities in Korea and is considered a legendary icon in the K-pop world. On an episode of Please Take Care of My Refrigerator, G-Dragon revealed the content of his fridge, and it was full of foods that were expensive. One of them was truffles, which is one of the 3 delicacies of the world. As the host went through his fridge some more, they found foie gras, which is also one of the 3 delicacies of the world. Finally, there was also caviar discovered in G-Dragon's fridge, which is also one of the 3 delicacies of the world. G-Dragon didn't seem to be stingy with any of the items, as he let the chef of the show eat some of his caviar. Surprisingly, G-Dragon uses these delicacies in a very simple way and doesn't make exquisite meals with them. One of the things he likes to use his caviar for is putting them on the mashed potatoes and pancakes.